In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Salesforce edition and API version in Lightning. For those who may be just starting with Salesforce or even seasoned users who find themselves needing to verify the edition or API version, this guide is here to help. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. This step is straightforward but crucial, as you need to be authenticated to access most of the areas within Salesforce. Once you're welcome to the familiar Salesforce dashboard, you should direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and locate the gear icon. This is often referred to as the Setup or Settings icon, and clicking this will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. Once you see the drop-down, you will need to select Setup. This will open up a whole new world of configuration options in Salesforce, so don't let all the possibilities intimidate you. We'll guide you through exactly where you need to go next. In the left sidebar, you'll notice a search bar labeled Quick Find. This is a handy tool that helps you to quickly navigate to different settings and configurations. Type company information into the Quick Find box. This search will quickly filter options and target what we need. Once the company information option appears, go ahead and click on it. Here's where you'll find all the relevant data about your Salesforce organization. Look for a section labeled Organization Edition. This is where your Salesforce edition will be displayed. It could be Enterprise, Professional, or any of the editions offered by Salesforce. Understanding your edition is essential because it defines the features and specific functionalities available to you. Now that you know how to find your Salesforce edition, let's move on to discovering the API version. Go back to the Setup homepage. Use the Quick Find box again, but this time type in Apex classes. Click on the Apex classes link that pops up. You'll be presented with a list of existing Apex classes. Don't worry if you're not familiar with them. You'll only need to open any one of these classes for this step. When you click on an Apex class, there will be a section called Version Settings. Click on this tab, and right there, you'll see the API version your organization is currently using. Knowing this version is vital for development and integration with Salesforce. By following these steps, you'll now have the exact details about your Salesforce edition and the API version. These pieces of information are crucial for customizing your Salesforce experience and implementing solutions effectively. I hope this guide was helpful and that you find navigating Salesforce a little less daunting. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials.